Hey everyone, this much anticipated Orchid Nursery house flip is finally completed, and I'm so excited to show you all the work we did to transform this home, especially the backyard. If you're into the numbers, make sure you tune in until the very end because I'm going to spill the beans. We'll start the tour out front. This front yard was like a jungle before with lots of trees and bushes, and you couldn't even see the front entrance. We cleaned it up and replaced some of the trees with smaller plants to add color and also kept the best looking ones. So now the front yard is a lot more clean. On the building structure, there were old shutters and older windows that were removed or replaced, and we also threw on a new coat of paint. Even though I've been doing this for a while, I'm still amazed by how much a fresh coat of paint can do to a building exterior. The new contrasting colors really bring out the beautiful architectural features of this home. The front entrance area was kind of tricky and claustrophobic. There were makeshift storage and panels covering it up, and this area was all messy. We cleaned it up and removed a lot of the structures here to make this area very clean and welcoming. And towards the bottom of the stairs, there was actually a metal gate that was really not good for the curb appeal. We removed it, and this whole area is very inviting now. Now welcome inside. The interior looks like a new house now because before it felt a lot tighter. There was a wall right here separating the living room and the kitchen area, and because this home is on the smaller side, that made both spaces a little smaller and cramped. By opening up this wall, this area feels much more bright and airy. We also installed a lot of recessed lights to make sure that there's good lighting, and the replacement of all the windows also allow you to appreciate the view out to the bay a lot better. And on the flooring, there was old parquet floors that was replaced by new hardwood, and it really brightened up this space as well. If you're interested in flipping houses like a pro and making large profits, check out my coaching program, Transform Flipper Academy. I teach my students the ins and outs about house flipping and help them achieve financial freedom. Don't wait any longer, book a call with us today. The kitchen was much enclosed before with upper cabinets over here and gaps between the range and also a weird vent hood in the wall. We got it all and expanded the kitchen towards the living room to allow for more storage and work surface. The two-toned cabinets and the open shelving really add interest. The dining room is an extension of the living room, but it's really not a big area. So the openness of the living room and the kitchen help out a lot. It's nice that we have so many windows on this side that bring in a ton of natural light, and also we added a cool light fixture here to modernize it. There were only 1.5 bathrooms in this two-story home, and this was the half bath before. So we decided to add a shower here and make this a full bath to add functionality. Because this is still a small space, we use light tiles all over and a floating vanity to make this space feel more expansive. And the light fixture and the thin profile mirror also add style. So we're pretty much done with the main level of the house, and we're heading up the stairs. This stairway used to have a pony wall here that was the handrail, and also very dark colored flooring on the bottom that make it look very traditional. So we replaced the railings with metal railings and also lighten up the floor color to brighten up the space and also modernize it. Right up the stairs, there was the laundry space right here that we relocated to a closet downstairs so that we could enlarge this bathroom because it's the only bathroom on this level and there's no true ensuite. So we made this whole space really big so that we could add a wall and pocket door over here for this water closet. So when someone's using the toilet or the shower, another person can still use the sink. And we also added another door over here to access the primary bedroom so that this could function as both a primary bathroom and also a guest bathroom. The first bedroom on the second level was soundproofed all over because the previous owner had trouble sleeping. So we had to remove the double-layered ceiling, the double-layered walls, and even the secondary window that was added on the interior. And on the flooring, we also removed the thick padded carpet and refinished the hardwood floors. The second bedroom renovation was easy peasy. We just had to add a ceiling light, replace the window, refinish the hardwood floors, and also replace the closet door with a mirrored one to make this small space feel a little bigger. And I really love the dinosaur decorations in here, which makes it a perfect kids' bedroom. The third bedroom on this level was very similar to the other two bedrooms before because it was very small and there was no direct access to the bathroom. When we were remodeling it, I really put a lot of thought into the design. We decided to relocate the entrance to the bedroom from here to this side so we could incorporate the original hallway space to make this bedroom bigger. And it also allowed us to create a new entrance from inside the bedroom into the enlarged bathroom. So now this bathroom functions as a primary bathroom as well, and it really enhanced the functionality of this home. This backyard is beyond recognition. We removed all the greenhouse structures and reviewed huge flat areas that are very functional and appealing to potential buyers. And this was originally a hill right here, and the previous owners flattened the areas and added retaining walls brick by brick all by himself. He then put on the greenhouses that were enormous. He grew thousands of orchids in those greenhouse structures that he used to go to competitions with. What we did on this backyard was mainly to clean up all the old greenhouse structures, and we were amazed by how much flat space there is over here, and it really allows the next owner to utilize it however they want. We even added artificial turf over here that's for kids and pets, and all these different terraces can be used to build an ADU or storage unit or a little workshop. So the options are really endless.
I know a lot of viewers were anxiously waiting for this transformation, and I hope you are happy with how it turned out. This is a unique home in the area due to the hilly terrain and the small footprint, and it presented a lot of challenges. We were able to add contemporary elements into this once neglected and outdated home while considerably enhancing the functionality. Our hard work was paid off as many buyers showed strong interest, and I'm going to share the final numbers right after. Don't walk away.
I hope you enjoyed this unique transformation. Now let's get to the numbers. I purchased this house for around $900,000 and we put about $200,000 into the renovation. The home was sold for $1.4 million, so the profit was about $200,000. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Get so much flat areas, and also it's amazing we were able to get so, and added the retaining walls all by himself, and the previous owners sorry,